Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the pressure switch in your front-load washer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the rear screws securing the top panel. Remove the panel. Lift the tab to disconnect the pressure switch wire connector. Rotate the switch to detach it from the side rail. Release the retaining clamp and pull the old switch free of the hose. Install the new pressure switch by first attaching the hose and securing it with the clamp. Insert the mounting tab into the side rail and rotate to lock the switch into place. Connect the wire connector. Realign the top panel and secure it with the screws at the rear. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in, and your front-load washer should be ready for use.